Hi everyone, I am Dr. Rena Chawla, faculty at Cerebellum Academy, and I'm very happy to have with us today Dr. Harshita. She has scored a very good score of 197 in the FMG January 2026. And first of all, many congratulations, Harshita, to you and to your family. And I'm so happy to see you here. And I've been taking interviews since evening, and every time I see a student and they just radiate so much happiness and just full of positivity and positive vibes. So very nice to have you here, and let us know a bit about yourself.
Ma'am, first of all, thank you so much. It's like it's teachers, your teachers' hard work and everything just fell in place. The blessings, the hard work, it just paid off. So, as you said, my name Harshita, and I did my medicine course was like divided in. I did it completed it from two universities. I
Okay.
started it with Vinnytsia National Medical University in Ukraine, but then the war happened. I couldn't go back, so I took the transfer and I completed it from Tashkent Medical Academy.
Okay.
So that happened, and there's nothing much, very much about me, but yeah, that's much.
All right. So tell us, when did you start preparing for FMG? And before that, it is more than our hard work. We are just a catalyst. We're just a guiding light. It is your hard work which has led to this day. And it's a lot of hard work. So there's no denying it. बहुत सारी मेहनत है. Uh, I mean, exams come and go, but this is like a very turning point wala exam in your life. And tell us about your journey for the exam.
Ma'am, so in proper, like strictly, I started preparing in like July month of last year. I
Okay.
took the cerebellum and I started following the classes and all. And before that, I used to read books rather than following any institute. I used to just read books. Like there is a book for gynecology and obstetrics, and there are other. I had in my first year, I did BD Chaurasia for anatomy, so like stuff like that. And then from July, I started from the cerebellum, and I did every single classes, every PYQs that we had in the
Okay.
midnight sessions, every GT, I attended everyone, everything. I mean, I would say the only time I sit with myself and the notes were the time when some classes were being repeated. After the results came for June
Okay.
exam, so the
Yeah.
classes were repeated. At that time, I stood with gynecology, surgery, medicine, and PSM, all the bigger subjects. I took all the notes and I sit with myself and I just self studied
Okay.
it.
Okay. That's
And
good.
it just
Mm-hmm.
worked.
All right. So basically, you followed the schedule, the mission classes to a T. आपने सब कुछ किया, and that's very important. So जितने भी interviews मैंने लिया अभी तक, everybody has been very sorted. They all know in the beginning that they have to follow the schedule, and that's very important. Um, Sometimes, however, there are certain days where you would feel a little low, या मन नहीं करता पढ़ने के लिए, या you just feel. How do you manage those days? Because I can imagine it's not easy, 6 months at a stretch, every day, utna padna, baithna, classes karna, questions karna. Some days, of course, you would not feel as much up to it. So how would you manage your, on a normal day, what would be your average duration of study? That's one question. And the other question is, how do you manage those low days?
Ma'am, on even on the low days, I used to make sure that the average time period of my study should be like 8 to 10 hours, even if I'm feeling
Okay.
low. After
Okay.
taking the classes, like including classes, it
Hmm.
used to go like 8 to 10 hours. And
Okay.
if I'm feeling like the days when I used to feel low, I used to make sure to just complete what I did in the class. No
Okay.
extra revisions, no going way beyond. Just what I did in class, just revise it in the morning. And if my brain works and we I can study more, then I used to study more. Otherwise, I'll just sit with the questions
All right.
randomly, any subjects. If if I'm feeling very like very low कि मतलब कुछ भी करने का मन नहीं कर रहा, so I'll just
Mm-hmm.
pick my good subjects. I'll pick gynae के modules, I'll pick
Okay,
surgery के modules, and I'll just randomly do it like I'm playing a game or something. I'll just
that's
do the
good.
PYQs.
Good, good. I wanted to ask you a very important question. How much social media did you use in the last 6 months?
Ma'am, I logged out my Instagram.
That's
The
very
only
important. That is a lesson everybody should do because the biggest distractor I feel nowadays is the phone and the social media. So
Yes, ma'am.
it's very important to get all the possible distractions away from your study table. And one of the biggest distraction is Instagram and other social media. So that's a very important thing which I think all students need to understand. Take care that 6 months Instagram nahi dekhoge, nothing is going to happen. You're not going to miss out on anything. So that's one thing
Ma'am,
which
those 6 months were like
yeah.
I locked myself in a room.
Okay. Okay.
So my parents were very like scared. My mom is not used to seeing me all this serious face. So she was like, Ki, don't worry this much, na? Just study
Hmm.
as you do. And
Hmm.
if you cleared, you cleared. If you didn't clear, you
Hmm.
always have a next chance. And I was like, Ma, that's the problem. I don't want the next
Want
chance.
another chance. And that's very important to tell yourself कि मुझे इसी एक chance में I have to clear this. That is so important. And hard work is the key to anything you do. I always tell everyone who asks me, those who've not been able to clear, those who are preparing for the next exam, I always tell them, na, कुछ भी कर लो, hard work is what will get you anything in life, for anything. The most important is the harder you work, the more efforts you put in, the results will automatically appear. And that's very important. So this is my advice to all those who are listening to this interview. No social media, number one. And
Yeah.
this is a consistent feature you will see in all the interviews that we've taken is that पढ़ाई करना है consistently karna hai. Lot of
हाँ.
effort goes into getting such excellent results, and that is all that you have to do. So you felt a 6 month, 5 to 6 months preparation time is enough, right?
Yeah, ma'am. Like
Okay.
the few things I did was like focusing completely on what I'm studying. And one thing that I feel like it's like more of an indirect thing. The advice that senior used to give that FMG बहुत hard है और मतलब pass नहीं होता है.
Just 1 second. How longer is this? Just 5 minutes more, okay? Say congratulations, Sudhiti. She cleared an exam. Congratulations.
Thank you.
I've been sitting taking interviews for a long time. तो बार बार आके he's coming and asking.
मैम भी क्लास में भी आता था, ये कितना क्यूट लगता था
हाँ,
ना, जो हार्ट्स
ये
उड़ते थे.
10 minutes बचा पक्का 10 minutes. Okay. He keeps coming. Like he's like a mama's boy.
And
You've
he's
seen him
very
in the
cute, ma'am.
class. Yeah. Thank you. So where were we? I'm sorry.
या आई वाज टेलिंग दैट जो सीनियर्स या जो हम लोग
Hmm.
जैसे हम ही लोग हैं, हम लोग बैठ
Hmm.
चुके हैं इस पेपर में, सो अगर मुझसे भी कोई जूनियर पूछेगा तो आई वुड बी लाइक कि अरे
Hmm.
बहुत टफ होता है.
Hmm.
बट दिस थिंग आई एम लिसनिंग फ्रॉम फर्स्ट ईयर ओनली कि बहुत
Hmm.
टफ होता है एग्जाम.
Hmm.
बट आई नेवर लेट इट गेट इनटू माय हेड. आई वाज लाइक होता है, होता होगा, देख
Hmm.
ली जाएगी जब
Hmm.
टाइम आएगा.
Good.
एंड
हो
when
गया.
the time came, हो
Yeah.
गया, my friends guided
Hmm.
me and my parents were like कर लोगी, बस करती जाओ.
Hmm.
And
Hmm.
everything was done.
Nice,
So I
nice.
was
It's so
happy.
nice speaking to you. You have this such a very relaxed, positive vibe about you, Harshita. You just seem really chill, and that's also very important. No,
Ma'am,
stress nahi lena, tension nahi
I
lena.
wasn't this kind of person
Okay,
6 months
now you
back,
are.
and
Last two
I
days, I
worked.
think. Yeah. No, you worked to reach this level of chill. You worked hard to reach this level of chill.
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
nice. Very nice. And what is your future? क्या plans है future के? Where are you from,
M-
Harshita? I think
Ma'am,
you didn't mention.
yes, ma'am. Hello.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
Ma'am, I'm from Delhi only.
Okay, from Delhi. All right, nice, nice. And what are your future plans?
I would like to try new things rather than going directly into NEET PG preparations. So I might check
That's
for
good.
the fellowships that we have in India and like
Okay.
do. start doing practice, or
Okay.
I'm also interested in going abroad back.
All right.
So
Okay. That's a good
I'm like,
option. I mean, and this is something which I'm hearing from a lot of people this time, that they want to explore alternate options. And I think that's a very fair thing. And to do something different from the usual path. And I think you should explore options. There's so many things now available, and things which are upcoming also. And I
yes,
wish you
ma'am.
all the very, very best in your future.
Thank
Before
you.
we end, who do you think is the most inspiring faculty, and why they inspired you the most,
Ma'am, it's
excluding
very
me?
hard to pick one. I mean, I don't think I can pick one because
Okay.
like, if we have 19 subjects, there are 19 teachers, and every teacher has their role in their own way. I mean, the way you teach gynae obs, the way you relax, and it feel like it feels very easy going. Same goes for Amrit sir, who teaches us
Yeah.
surgery. Even medicine, when the lips started teaching us medicine, I was like, नहीं हो सकती, medicine बहुत
Mm,
vast है,
mm,
बहुत hard है,
mm,
नहीं हो सकती.
mm,
And
mm,
in the first class also, he said, just go through what we did in the class and just repeat everything in the morning, and you'll feel like it's sorted, it's
mm,
good, it's done. And वो चीज होती थी.
mm,
तो मेडिसिन ऑल्सो ही हेल्प्ड इन दैट. पीएसएम वाले सर भी इतने अच्छे से पढ़ा देते थे, वो मतलब वो लगता ही नहीं था कि हाँ इतना सारा मटेरियल है जो भी करना है. स्पर्श सर हो गए, गोगा सर हो गए. तो बहुत मतलब
Everyone
मैं
is
नाम
inspiring, and
नाम
I'm
मतलब
so
लिस्ट
happy
करनी
to hear
पड़ेगी.
that. Yeah, everyone is inspiring in their own way.
And my mom is also a teacher, so I feel it very
Okay.
very weird feeling to pick one teacher among all. Everyone has its own their own role.
So it's all a team effort, and
Yes, ma'am.
I'm glad we could all help you out to reach your goal. So thank you, Harshita. Lovely talking to you. Hopefully we meet soon. I live very nearby. So
Surely,
maybe we
ma'am.
can,
Surely.
yeah, meet sometime. Nice talking to you.
Thank
Congratulations
you,
once
ma'am.
again. Bye,
Thank you,
Harshita.
ma'am. Bye.